name's Cora. I post videos about beauty, lifestyle, and so many other things. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to see when I upload. I am in my new apartment. I am so excited to be filming this video. I think I've been waiting like 10 months, I'm not even kidding, to get into this apartment. 2020 was pretty crazy for all of us, but I feel like I had an especially crazy year. If you guys didn't know, I worked in Silicon Valley and I signed a lease in the South Bay, and I actually got laid off. So 6 months into my lease, I was like, I guess I'm gonna have to grin and bear it in this lease, in this nasty apartment that I can't stand. I had a really toxic roommate situation. He was always there. He literally never left, so I never felt like I had my own space. So when the lease finally ended, I was determined to make this place really feel like my own, and I really feel like I accomplished that. So I wanted to take you guys through kind of a preliminary apartment tour. Now, you'll probably hear me mention throughout this video, this apartment is going to change a lot. In 3 or 4 months, I'll definitely be posting an updated, more formal one of these, but I kind of just wanted to take you guys through a vlog style apartment tour because I'm so excited to be here and I'm just feeling so serene and happy here. So without further ado, let's get into the tour. Right, so the first thing you see when you walk in is this cute gold decal with some succulents. I'm still kind of working on what I want to put on here, but I'm liking how it looks. It's just really simple. My friends and family always ask me when they see this where it's from, and it's actually from the kids section of Target. I got it like 3 years ago and I just love it. I think it's super cute. Moving past here, you have our kitchen. There's nothing really exciting about the kitchen. It's just kind of an average kitchen. But what they didn't tell us when we moved in is this is actually an ADA unit, which means it's handicap accessible. And so we don't have storage here or here. So that was kind of a surprise when we were doing our walkthrough. I had to do a walkthrough before we moved in because my last apartment had mold. So we wanted to do an inspection and we were very surprised to see this. So we're actually going to get racks to store all of our cleaning supplies and then put curtains up. Definitely an eyesore and I hate how it looks, but I'm excited to have more storage because as you can see, it is a nightmare in here, and this is giving me like insane anxiety just having it look like this. Like, if you don't have a lot of storage in your apartment, this has been a lifesaver. It's just this little dolly. I think it's called a Lazy Susan. We got it at Costco. So I have this big one. I also have this little one for my supplement. I'm excited to continue to organize because I'm super clean. So again, I hate how this looks, but once we're fully done with the apartment, I'll give you guys kind of an organization update. Moving right along, we have the family room. I love this room. It just makes me feel so peaceful. I stand here a lot and I just kind of like take it in because I just love how it looks. I'll be adding as many links as I can below, but the first thing you'll see is a bar cart and a pot with some pampas grass. So this bar cart is from Amazon. It was actually really affordable. I think it was $100. And the pot is from HomeGoods. I saw it and knew I had to have it. I wasn't really sure what I was gonna do with it, but I found this pampas grass on Amazon and I thought it just looked perfect inside of it. This was a lot prettier when I first bought it, but I royally destroyed the pampas and it sheds everywhere. So that's something to note. Even with fake pampas, it's gonna shed. But I really like how this looks. Even though it's messy and not as full as it originally was, it's still really pretty to me. Next, we have our TV stand. This is from Target. I was really nervous because it's a lot smaller than I initially anticipated. And we got a pretty big TV, so I was like, I don't know if this is gonna look good, but it worked out. I was originally planning on putting like little decor pieces on the sides of the TV stand, but we just don't have room, and honestly I'm okay with how it looks. Now, something I really don't love about this apartment is this dining table. So we don't have much of a dining space. I put this rug underneath for spills. It's really random, but I just got really nervous because the dining area is on the carpet. All right, next up, this is super random, but I feel like something everyone should have is an air purifier. This is from Levoit. I'm from Southern California, and when I moved to the Bay Area, I just noticed my allergies got terrible. This thing is really cool because it's really quiet, so you literally just turn it on You can barely hear it. Behind that is a Bath & Body Works diffuser. I have these in every room of my house and everyone's like, why does your apartment smell so good? These are why. I'm a big believer that smells really make a place feel like home, so I love having these. This is from Target. Not sure if it's gonna stay here, but it's just a storage bin. I just put like ugly blankets in here that I don't want people to see, but when they come over, if they want to be cozy, they're there. This little area needs some work, so I just have a random door stopper there and a candle, and then that's our surround sound for our TV. I'm not really sure what to do over here. I know I want to put plants, like snake plants I think, on this thing, but for now I just put little decor pieces that I wasn't really sure what to do with. Now for our couch, so this is actually a sleeper sofa from Urban Outfitters that's gonna go in the office. The office is probably the room that needs to be altered the most. We ordered another couch for in here, an L-shaped sectional from Living Spaces. I really wanted to wait for it to come to show you guys the finished family room, but it is what it is. It's taking forever to come because it's custom. So as I'm filming this, Living Spaces emailed me that my couch is not going to be here till April, and I ordered it on Christmas. So just a word to the wise, if you order any furniture during the pandemic, it's probably gonna be super delayed. That's such a bummer, but whatever. This dining table, we were originally going to paint black because the wood doesn't match with our TV stand, but it's so beautiful, we could not get ourselves to destroy this table. I believe it's from CB2. A family friend actually very kindly gave this to us. I think this table is my favorite piece in this room. I love it. And I just put some flowers on top of it. It's from my boyfriend's grandparents. It was really sweet. Something that we're really lucky to have in this apartment is tons of storage. So we have 2 full closets here. Our washer and dryer is here, and we have more storage in the office and our bedroom, so you can kind of see in the bedroom. I'm not going to show them because they're messy, but moving right along, we have our guest bathroom. It's kind of loud because I had to turn the fan on so you could see it. This is actually my boyfriend's bathroom slash the guest bathroom. I feel like the key to a healthy relationship is a separate bathroom, so that was something that was really important to me, and I'm glad we got that. He's pretty clean. I mean, he's done a pretty good job keeping this tidy, so not too shabby. Moving right along, we have our guest room slash office. This is the room I didn't really want to show because it's gonna change a lot. So let me walk you guys through everything. I have this random storage thing that is going to be thrown away, but we're still unpacking. So we just have like random boxes on here. This little globe lights up. It's from Pottery Barn. I'm not really sure where I'm gonna put that. We're actually going to put the sleeper sofa here and then put this chair somewhere else in this room. I'm not really sure yet because I want it to be like an entertaining space. This chair is from Walmart, actually. I got it for free because I work in the events industry, and when you do big events, they kind of just want to get rid of all of the props. So sometimes I get to keep cute things. And this pillow is also from Target that I got from an event. I'm also gonna hang up these paintings. I just want to have the sleeper sofa in this room before I decide where. I actually made these, so if you guys want a tutorial on how to do it, I'll show you. This is my boyfriend's work stuff slash a TV that he's probably gonna play video games at. I'm not really sure yet. And then this is my desk. I just have random little things here. I ended up investing in an office chair because I've had a lot of health problems this year due to, I think, just being really stressed out with this pandemic, not sitting right, and it caused my jaw to go out, and I was diagnosed with TMJ. And they said a lot of it is from sitting incorrectly when I'm working. So I wanted to get a really good ergonomic chair, and I really like it. Sorry if it's loud and it is super weird lighting in here, but we have my bathroom now. It's nothing crazy exciting. Pretty much identical to the other bathroom, but the only difference is I have a shower curtain. So as I mentioned, this is an ADA unit. So there's like little bars in the shower. Didn't really want to show. I have another kind of Lazy Susan thing as well for my beauty products, but these are the products either I'm sampling for a YouTube video I reach for every day, or they have been sent to me and I need to remember to use them. And then lastly, I have this little mirror, just lights up, you can charge it, super fun. Last but not least, we have the bedroom. So the first thing I want to point out that I love is that this is completely enclosed. So we have the door, we have the entrance to our bedroom, and then we have our closets and my bathroom. So that's really nice in case, you know, I'm doing anything and entertaining and someone else wants to sleep or vice versa. It's just really nice for privacy. I'm already feeling so serene walking in here, which is exactly what I wanted. So this is our master bedroom. I want to start with this gorgeous gilded mirror. So this is from the family friend that actually gave us the dining table. We got so lucky with this piece. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do with it, but it looks gorgeous on this dresser. The dresser is actually from IKEA. This is really random. It's just a volcano candle from Anthropology. I know I definitely want to keep iterating on this and add more here. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I'm thinking like a giant pink salt lamp would look gorgeous. I swear everyone has these vases, but I just think they're so beautiful, so serene. Really affordable from Amazon. I left this on the floor because I want you guys to see I have a mini Lavoie filter in here. This one's actually really loud, so kind of sounds like that, but I like the white noise at night. Next, we have my bedside table, which is from HomeGoods. We actually got really lucky finding these. I feel like you can find really great products if you go on the right days. What I really like about these and what the selling point was is that we have little chargers back here, so that's super convenient. And then this is just a really simple lamp from Target. I'm still kind of working on our bed. I want it to look perfect because my dream has kind of always been to have an Airbnb hotel looking bed. I think I'm gonna have to add another Euro pillow. This bedspread is from, again, HomeGoods. So you can find so many good things there. The Euro pillows are from Amazon. This pillow is from HomeGoods. I don't really think I like it here. I don't think it really matches the bed. And some of it, like right here, got messed up in the wash. So I'm definitely gonna have to replace that or put it somewhere else. This curtain is from Bed Bath & Beyond, I believe. We have a huge window here, so we were really nervous finding a curtain big enough, but this one is gorgeous. And we just have these little hooks right here to tie it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. I also just quickly wanted to say thank you to everyone who's been patient with me because I haven't really been uploading. I haven't really talked about it too much on YouTube, but if you follow me on Instagram, I posted that I've been having quite a few health struggles the last few months. I've had chronic migraines almost every day for 3 months and pretty much constant ringing in my ears, and doctors can't really figure out what's going on. They think it's stress and TMJ related, so if you guys have any ideas of what could be wrong with me, let me know. But I've been in and out of the doctor almost every day for a month, so I really needed to take time for myself during the holidays to regroup, refocus, and feel whole again. I feel like I've really implemented like a wellness routine and have been doing a lot more to take care of myself. So if you guys want like a wellness routine video, let me know. I've been doing acupuncture, massages, and kind of just really taking the time to feel whole again. So I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like I can get back on my YouTube game, so be looking out for more videos from me. But in the meantime, have a good week. Bye.